What if I told you that in football, the players who score the goals often get all the attention, but without the other positions, they would barely touch the ball? In fact, some of the most important players on the field rarely score at all. And if you've ever watched a football match and wondered, who are all these players and what exactly are they doing, then this video is for you. In the next few minutes, you'll learn every major football position, what each player actually does, why they're important, and how all 11 players work together to create one team. By the end, you'll be able to watch a football match and instantly understand what's happening. Let's start with the most unique position on the field, the goalkeeper. This is the only player allowed to use their hands, but only inside their own penalty area. Think of the goalkeeper as the team's last line of defense. If everyone else fails, this player stands between the ball and the goal. Sounds simple, right? Not exactly. Modern goalkeepers do far more than stop shots. Many of them start attacks, make long passes, and act almost like an extra defender. Some goalkeepers touch the ball more than certain attackers during a match. And here's something surprising. A goalkeeper can play an entire game perfectly, make 10 incredible saves, and still be remembered only for one mistake. It's one of the most mentally demanding jobs in sports. Now let's move a little farther up the field. The defenders. Next are the fullbacks. These players operate on the left and right sides of defense. Years ago, fullbacks mostly defended. Today, many run up and down the field so much that they almost look like midfielders. 1 minute, they're stopping an attack near their own goal. 30 seconds later, they're helping create a chance at the opposite end. Some players cover more than 10 kilometers in a single match. Imagine sprinting back and forth across a football field for 90 minutes. That's life as a fullback. But football gets even more interesting when we reach the midfield. Many coaches believe midfielders are the most important players on the entire team. Why? Because they're the link between defense and attack. Without midfielders, the team falls apart. Think of midfielders as the engine inside a car. You might not always notice them, but without them, nothing moves. Let's start with defensive midfielders. These players sit in front of the defenders. Their job is to break up attacks before they become dangerous. They intercept passes, win tackles, protect the defense, and often do all the dirty work nobody notices. And here's the crazy part. Many of them do it without scoring a single goal. Next come attacking midfielders. These players operate closer to the opponent's goal. Their mission is creating opportunities. They see passing lanes that other players don't. They're football's inventors, the artists, the creative geniuses. Imagine everyone else following roads. The attacking midfielder finds shortcuts nobody else can see. One brilliant pass can completely change a game. Sometimes a single touch can eliminate 3 or 4 defenders. And that's why these players are often some of the most exciting footballers to watch. But now we arrive at the positions that most casual fans already know. The attackers, the forwards, the goal scorers. Let's start with the wingers. Wingers play near the sidelines, usually on the left or right side of attack. These players are often among the fastest athletes on the field. Their job is stretching the defense, beating defenders one-on-one and creating chances. Think of them like sports cars. Speed is their weapon. When a winger gets the ball with space ahead, defenders immediately start worrying, because one quick move can completely change everything. Here's something fascinating. Many modern wingers actually score almost as many goals as traditional strikers. In some teams, they're the biggest scoring threat of all. Speaking of scoring, let's talk about strikers. This is the position most people dream about playing. The striker's main job is simple: score goals. But simple doesn't mean easy. Strikers spend entire games being closely watched by defenders. Sometimes they only get one good opportunity, one chance, one moment, and they have to make it count. It's one of the highest pressure jobs in sports. A striker can disappear for... The goalkeeper starts attacks. Defenders build possession. Midfielders connect the team. Wingers create space. strikers finish opportunities. When everything works together, football becomes beautiful. It's like an orchestra. The striker might get the applause, but the performance only works because everyone plays their part. And modern football keeps evolving. Some defenders attack like forwards. Some midfielders score like strikers. Some goalkeepers pass better than outfield players. The lines between positions are becoming more flexible every year. But the basic purpose remains the same. Protect your goal, control the midfield, create chances, score goals. So the next time you watch a football match, try something different. Instead of following only the ball, watch the positions. Notice the goalkeeper organizing the defense. Watch the center backs protecting space. See the midfielders connecting everything. Look at the wingers stretching the field. And watch the striker searching for that one perfect opportunity. Suddenly, the game becomes much easier to understand. And honestly, much more interesting. Because once you know what every position does, football stops looking like 22 people chasing a ball. It starts looking like a giant puzzle where every piece matters. And that's what makes football the world's most